If you click up here and create, and then document, and we're going to call it cube number 1. So a little bit about Onshape, what it is. It's 3D modeling software, and these are the different planes you're going to be working in. And you can turn those on and off because it gets a little confusing with those. So I'm going to turn off the top, and I'm going to turn off the right side. And then you can see that I'm just working in the front plane. You could turn that on and off too if you would like to work without that on there, but sometimes it helps out to have that turned on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch. You need to select which of these sketch planes you're going to work in. And we're going to be working in the front sketch plane. You can see the sketch 1 is up here. This is at an angle, and I'm going to flatten it out over here with this little command center here. You could go right side view, go back to the angle, but I'm going to work right in the front view. I'm going to grab line and our square. You can see you want to get it going exactly 90 degrees. And you just type in the length that you want. So I'm going to go 3. So it made that 3 inches long. So then if I go straight up and I click and then type in 3, once that box is there, hit enter, and it makes that 3. Go directly this way, click, the box opens up, type in 3, enter. And this is very important that you make sure this lights up orange. That shows that it's connected. We need to have that connected. And then there's your box. If everything looks good, and you can see if I click front view again, it keeps it on the front view. 3x3 box, green check it, and then you have your front view of your box. Let's say you're working on something and you decided, well, 3 is not the size that I want that. These dimension lines here are very useful. We're going to make your box actually 4, and I wanted you to know how to do this. So we're going to change that to 4. Let's go 4 here. Let's get that back in the view, and let's go 4 here. There. So these dimension lines are very useful to change sizes using the dimension tool, which is also right here. When it looks good and that's what you like, green check it, and then it kind of finalizes it, and that is your box. Now we're going to go back to the 3D view like this, because we want to take this square 2 dimensions and make it 3-dimensional. How we're going to do that is using a skill called extrude. So you click on the extrude. It's going to ask you select the face and regions you want to extrude. So right here. And then it takes that and it stretches it out. We want to make this a cube. So we need to change the depth to 4 inches. And then it kind of gives you a little preview. When you have what you like, green check it. And you now have your cube that you can work with. If I want to go back to the front view, you can see that.